Rongshan, a small county in southern China, 2,300 kilometers from the national capital, Beijing, is home to Linfeng Plywood Factory, a designated supplier of IKEA, the world's leading furniture retailer. Their products are exported mainly to Europe and America.
国外客户选择林峰厂，是看中了我厂技术创新、产品质量有保障。作为合作方进入宜家，需要产品证明的依据。我们的林峰厂有1万多亩造林基地，是通过国际 FSC 认证的。我们厂从2015年开始研发国际标准环保胶水。2016年正式使用，它的甲醛释放量是10级，低于国家标准，对普通胶水而言更环保、更耐用，产品就能达到进入世界销售市场。
Rongshan County is one of the most important production bases of bent plates in China, known as the capital of bent plates in China. In recent years, Rongshan has been actively promoting its furniture industry towards the faster track of high-end, intelligent, and green development. At present, more than 50 businesses have signed up and settled in the Guangxi Plywood Furniture Industrial Park in Rongshan County. Rongshan Renda Furniture Company Limited is the first company that formally went into production in the park. The company has grown rapidly in the last 10 years, and now it has grown into a furniture business with an annual output value of 80 million CNY. Chen Guanghua, marketing director of the company, is deeply impressed.
10年前呢，我们基本上就是处于那种家庭作坊啊，生产力大部分是人工。那10年后的今天，我们也搬进园区来了，我们大部分是用机械。而且是智能的一些机械设备。我们是国家高新技术企业，在知识产权这一块，我们这几年连续都有成果转化，所以我觉得这个才是我们从质方面的最大的一个改变。
Chen Qiansong is an online salesperson. Since 2020, Rongshan Renda Furniture Company Limited, he works for, has joined Taobao, Jingdong, Alibaba, and other well-known platforms, riding the tide of China's e-commerce industry. Currently, e-commerce sales account for 15% of Renda Furniture's overall sales, and it keeps growing rapidly. Performance growth has also brought higher pay to employees.
我原来是一个一线的工人，后来公司发展电商这一块业务，由于我对公司产品工艺流程比较了解，所以就把我提到了电商部门这边。我的工资也比以前翻了2-3倍。
At present, led by Renda Furniture and Linfeng Plywood Factory, eco-forestry industry in Rongshan County has formed a stable industrial chain. From planting, felling, processing, transportation to sales, the county can produce 400,000 bent plates every day, accounting for 70% of the national market. In 2023, it is expected to achieve an output value of over 10 billion CNY.
我觉得从过去的10年看，我们以后它发展的趋势，一个是环保，一个是节能，还有一个就是创新。因为人们对美好生活的追求摆在那里，所以未来的方向我们还是要不断的创新，做到节能高效。